Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save Instagram videos easily. So let's begin. So here we are on Instagram, and from here what we're going to do to save videos is simply go to the videos that you want to save. So for example, it would be this one right here. So for example, you want to save this one, all we have to do now is tap on the paper airplane button or the share button right here at the bottom right. And from here, we're gonna tap on copy link right here. So once you have copied the link, all we have to do is go into our browser, any browser that you want. So for example, you want Safari and you want to go into this website, snap inside that app right here. So make sure that you type the correct website right here. And what you want to do is tap on the paste button after you have copy the link of that video and tap on download, and just like that we can now download a video easily from Instagram. And as you can see, this is the video, and now download video right here, tap on it and download. And now we have successfully downloaded the video, and you can see it right here that it's now done downloading. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.